Hi, hello, good morning, everybody. How are you today? I am R. Venkateswara, School Assistant of English from SSRZPHS Bhimanapalli. My aim is here to make you understand well English grammar. Question number 25, Noun Modifiers. What is a noun modifier? A noun modifier is a word or phrase that modifies or describes another noun or noun phrase. Noun modifiers provide additional information about the noun they modify, such as its qualities, properties, or characteristics. Examples of noun modifiers: adjectives. These are words that describe or modify nouns or pronouns. Example: the big house, the happy child. Big, happy, or adjectives. The modifying house, child. Noun adjuncts. These are nouns that function as modifiers of other nouns. Example: a stone wall, a university library, a French wine, a city park, a research department. See stone, university, French, city, research. All these are noun adjuncts modifying nouns. Next, possessive nouns. These are nouns that show ownership or possession of another noun. Example: John's car, the company's headquarters. Prepositional phrases. These are phrases that begin with a preposition and modify a noun. Example: the book on the table, the city of Paris. Noun modifiers can provide various types of information about the noun they modify, such as physical characteristics. Example: size, color, shape. Origin or source. Example: a French wine, an Egyptian vase. Material or composition. Example: a wooden table, a golden ring. Purpose of function: a cooking pot, a writing pen. Like this, we can use noun modifiers. There is a typical order of noun modifiers as quantifiers: three, few, many. Opinion adjectives: beautiful, delicious, wonderful. Size and shape adjectives: big, small, round. Age adjectives: old, young, new. Color adjectives: red, blue, green. Proper adjectives: American, British, Chinese. Qualifier or classifier nouns: university, library, restaurant. There are three big old red American cars. Another example: these are a few delicious small round green Chinese plates. Note: this order is not absolute and can vary depending on the context, emphasis, and style. However, this general order provides a useful guidelines for arranging noun modifiers in English. I give you some examples. There are three beautiful big word brown wooden tables. Qualifier, opinion, size, age, color, and material. She bought a few delicious small round green apples. The old large comfortable beige leather sofa was expensive. He wore a nice warm long black woolen coat. The new modern high-tech silver Japanese smartphone was popular. Now I tell you the typical order of adjectives. Firstly, you should use opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. Now you can understand with the following examples. The beautiful large old rectangular blue American made wooden coffee table. The stunning, huge, ancient, circular gold and Egyptian stone decorative vase. It is the lovely small antique oval green British glass jewelry box. Like this, we should follow the typical order of adjectives. Then you can do well these noun modifiers. Once I'm telling, follow opinion, size, age, shape, color, origin, material, and purpose. Now let's do the SCRT module question number 25, noun modifiers. Dear students, you are asked to rewrite the sentences into a single sentence using noun modifiers. Number 1. I participated in a Christmas party yesterday. It was a lovely party. I participated in a lovely Christmas party yesterday. This is the correct order of using noun modifiers. Number 2. Shruti wore a designer dress. It was made of silk. The answer is Shruti wore a designer silk dress. He has a golden watch. It is an expensive watch. Answer is he has an expensive golden watch. Number 4. I bought a Maruti car. The color is blue. It is sporty. Right answer is I bought a sporty blue Maruti car. Next one. He made a speech. The speech was short. The speech was interesting. Answer is he made an interesting short speech. Suresh went to a house. It was decorated beautifully. Now you can write it as a noun modifier into single sentence. Suresh went to a beautifully decorated house. Suresh bought a dress. It is a designer one, but frightfully expensive. You can write it into a noun modifier sentence as Suresh bought a frightfully expensive designer dress. The food was tasty. It was prepared quickly. The answer is the food was a tasty, quickly prepared meal, or the tasty, quickly prepared food was delicious. Next one. Valli is a young girl. She is a village girl. She is 8 years old. Valli is a young 8-year-old village girl. Francis Bacon wrote many essays. They were in English. Answer is Francis Bacon wrote many English essays. My neighbor bought a dog. It was big. It was a German Shepherd. Now you can write it into one sentence by using a noun modifier. My neighbor bought a big German Shepherd dog. Caesar was an emperor. He was very powerful. He was a Roman. You can write this sentence into one sentence as Caesar was a powerful Roman emperor. Next one. Wally saw a cow running on the road. The cow was strong and young. Now you can write it as Wally saw a strong young cow running on the road. Rani bought a silk saree. It was expensive and made in Kanchipuram. Answer is Rani bought an expensive Kanchipuram silk saree. I met a young man. He was European. He was handsome. Now you can write this sentence into a single sentence by using a noun modifier. I met a handsome young European man. Now do the following exercise yourself and type the answers in comment box. All the best. Okay children, I hope you have understood it well. I'll meet you with another useful video lesson. Until bye.